Bitcoin surged to a new all-time high on Wednesday, crossing the $75,000 mark for the first time, buoyed by the return of Donald Trump as the 47th US president. Bitcoin prices jumped over 8% today to a record high of $75,371, surpassing its previous high of $73,797 scaled in March of this year. Now, the rally comes as Trump is seen as more supportive of cryptocurrencies than Democratic presidential candidate Kamala Harris. According to media reports, Trump has pledged to make the United States the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency capital of the world and put tech billionaire Elon Musk in charge of a wide-ranging audit of governmental waste. Other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano and Shiba Inu also saw strong buying action, rallying up to 12% in today's trade. Trump's victory not only bolstered the Bitcoin but also powered a rally in US stocks, the US dollar index along with Indian stock markets. The US dollar index rose 1.9% to 105.3, its highest level in almost 4 months, while the 10-year US Treasury yields jumped by 15 basis points to trade at 4.435%, hitting its highest level since July 2nd. US stock markets also look set to open strongly, with futures for the S&P 500 gaining 1.7% and Dow Jones Industrial Average rising 1.8%. Nasdaq Composite futures were also up 1.8%, signaling a strong start for the US market later today. Back home, Indian stock markets were also trading in the green. Both the Sensex and Nifty have now gained over 1% with a solid performance from the IT and banking sector. However, it's important to note that while the markets are up nearly 3% from the recent lows, they are still down by about 6.5% to 7% from their record highs earlier this year. Why the volatility in the Indian markets then? There are a few reasons why the Indian markets have been struggling lately, and here are the key factors driving this turbulence. First, it's the valuation. Now, Indian stock market, as far as valuations are concerned, have become quite expensive compared to global peers, which have made investors cautious. Second reason is China's mega stimulus package. Now remember, last month China announced a massive stimulus package to revive its economy, with China's stock market underperforming for over 2 years now and its valuations also being significantly lower than global peers. Foreign investors made a tactical shift towards China, which led to outflows from Indian markets. Then the third reason is foreign sell-off. There has been a significant sell-off by foreign institutional investors since the start of October, and in the past 1.5 months, FIIs have pulled out nearly 1.2 lakh crore rupees from the Indian markets. While the domestic investors have stepped in to buy shares, the sharp FII sell-off remains a point of concern. The fourth reason is weak corporate results. The September quarter results didn't help matters either. While there was already a slowdown in rural consumption, now even urban consumption is showing signs of a slowdown. On top of that, management commentaries have failed to instill confidence in the market. While Indian markets have seen a good run in the last couple of days and the US markets are also set for a strong opening, it will be very interesting to see where Bitcoin rises from here on. 75,000 is achieved. Let's see what the next target is.